right, so this is going to be step by step on what needs to be done to retension the rollers on a monthly basis. First thing we're going to do, we're going to open this up. We already have ours removed. The first half of this, taking these rollers out, can be done prior to taking the unit out of the PIPA, but in order to actually tension the belt, you have to have the printer removed from the PIPA. So go ahead, get this opened up, open up your print head, open up your media sensor, and we're going to open up the pinch rollers. So we're going to take a T8. We're going to spin these around. Once I have that spun back, I'll lock that in. Take these off. Again, I say this all the time. These are captive screws, so you don't have to worry about losing any of the hardware. Once this is out, rollers pop out from the top. Alright, so once that's done, we're going to go ahead and we're going to flip this unit over. Once we have this, these 4 screws are going to come out. Take your 3mm. Comes off. Button on the side. Push that. This unit opens up. Now, this is your belt drive, and from here, we're going to take the front cover or the top cover off, which again, 3mm T-handle. Cover comes off, also captive. From here, we're going to take, and all we want to do is we just want to retension this. So on this one, we're going to loosen that up. We're going to pull it in tight. Again, still using that 3mm T-handle. Tighten that back up. The other one, we're going to loosen this up. If it was real loose, you might actually see this spring a little bit. This one didn't, but what I am going to do is I'm just going to pull it back, and I'm going to make sure that thing got to fully engage. So once I know we're good, tighten that back up. The reason you have to tighten it back up is otherwise this is going to bounce. You already have this which bounces, so you need to make sure you tighten this back up. Once you have that done, put the cover back on. Close this back over. Cover. Make sure all your wires are tucked in. You don't want to pinch anything once you're down. Drop these back in. Back with our 3mm T-handle. Flip our printer back over, drop our rollers in. The first one on the peel bar is different than the other two. The other two are exactly the same. Open this back up so I can get this in here. And the last one. There we go. T8. And then this last one again just spins back. Once it's covering that bearing, you can tighten it up. Close the print head, close the pinch roller. Make sure if these fell, make sure they're set back to the height of your label. Close the media sensor, and we're ready to put the labels back in.